Welcome to our Science and Technology News channel. I'll show you how to install Cinema HD on FireStick, Android TV/Google TV, smartphones, and computers. First, to install Kodi on FireStick, you need the downloader app. Cinema HD is not available on the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store, so you will need to install it manually using the downloader app. 1. From the FireStick home screen, go to Find that search and install the downloader app, or follow our step-by-step instructions with screenshots to install the downloader. If you are using Android or Google TV, you can install the downloader app from the Play Store. If you have already installed the downloader app, we can proceed with the installation steps. By the way, before we begin the installation, to avoid missing critical updates in the Kodi and FireStick world, and to show your support on this technology journey, you can subscribe to our channel and like our video. Every comment you make empowers us to reach more people with this information. Thank you for your support. To Settings, My Fire TV Developer Options. A similar option is available in the Google/Android TV settings. You will see one of the following options, depending on your Fire OS version, Fire OS 7 and newer. Install unknown app, select downloader and enable it. Fire OS 6 and older, apps from unknown sources, turn it on. If you do not see developer options, go to Settings, My Fire TV About. Click your Fire TV Stick model 7 times, or read the step-by-step guide to enable developer options. 3. Open the downloader app and click the text box. 4. Enter one of these and click Go. Cinemad.app, or downloader code 931200. Five. Click the download link for the latest version. Amazon has started blocking this APK version. If you can't install it, check the next step. If the above version isn't working, scroll down on the same page and click the ad-free version. 6. The Cinema HD APK file will start downloading. You can view the download status in the window. 7. Click Install. 8. Once the app installation is complete, you'll see a notification. Click Done. 9. You no longer need the Cinema HD APK file. Click Delete to remove it from the device storage. 10. Click Delete again. You have successfully installed Cinema HD APK on FireStick. Thank you for watching. If you want to be informed about the monthly updates of FireStick, Jailbreak and Kodi and free movies, sports and similar TV channels, you can help us by subscribing to our channel, commenting and liking. Wishing you the best and most healthy days.